Hi there, welcome to my Guitar Fascination channel. My name's Jason, and because this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things, guitar related, hence its name, I thought what better place to do an unboxing and some kind of, I assume, installation video on an electric drum kit. So here's the box. Maybe I'll show you a different angle depending on how that phone camera works. If not, this is way too heavy to pick up, so let's just get cracking. Let's unbox and put it together. Okay, so hopefully that sped up installation of a drum kit, I don't know what you call it, I put it together. Video worked on either this camera or the camera that I had over there, depending on how it went. maybe I'll put pieces together. Let's see. So you may be wondering though, why would I put a drum kit video at all on a Guitar Fascination channel? That's probably a good question. I don't really have a great answer, but my main thinking, in all honesty, was that if you've seen any of my content so far on this channel, it's mostly my contributions to the Sunday with Ola phenomenon, which is great. Somewhere there, I'll put a link in one of those YouTube cards to my Sunday with Ola, video playlist, so you can see what I'm talking about. What that is, if you're unaware, is every week Ola England on his channel releases free drum tracks for anyone on YouTube to download, put in your favorite DAW, and then record your own original guitar tracks too, which is great, and I love it. But there are two things that got me thinking about. One was, what if I wanted to create my own drums in a superior drums kind of way, using a plug-in in a DAW. I don't have the space or the family tolerance for a proper drum kit. I've actually never played drums either, so I thought this is a good way for me to try to expand my musical knowledge, let's say. So that's reason one. Reason two is I'm actually hoping that my wife, I call her the wife, just so I don't get confused, will use this kit. It's more her size. She's a smaller human than me. So hopefully she'll give it a crack. She'll record some drums, and then the two of us jam together like all good, married couples should do. There you go. Hopefully that's explained the relevance for a drum unboxing / put together video on my Guitar Fascination channel. I've probably put it somewhere in the description, if not the YouTube thumbnail for this video or the title, but I've not mentioned it by now. But this is a Donner electric drum kit. I don't know, sometime earlier this year did an unboxing of a very affordable Donner electric guitar, another e-card, not an e-card, YouTube card thing, link up there. And I was very pleased with the quality of that guitar, so I was hoping, bang for buck, that this would be of equal impressive value, and so far I can say that it is. I have plugged this in, headphones on, listened to the drums in this, and I am impressed. Again, not a drummer, so I can't say, yes, it sounds like Kit X or anything like that, but sounds like drums that I could play along to. So maybe at some stage, if there's interest in what the drum kit sounds like, I'll put that video together. If you would like that, do the comment below thing. That'll let me know. If no one comments, I won't waste my time on the video. Anyway, enough ramble. Thanks for watching. If you did like this, want to see other videos like this, then by all means subscribe to the channel. It'd let me know that perhaps I'm doing something that other people are interested in. Thanks again. Enjoy your day. Rock on.